You already know convection is supposed to cook food more evenly. Instead of letting heat sit still, it uses a fan to move hot air around the food. That usually means faster cook times, more even browning, and the ability to use multiple racks at once without rotating pans. What most people don't realize is that convection can mean very different systems depending on the brand. Some ovens simply circulate leftover heat with a single fan, others generate heat at the back wall, some push air from the corners, and some deliberately turn the top and bottom elements off. Not all convection is created equal, so let's look at the most common types and how they actually work. First, we have true European convection, also known as true convection. This is one of the most popular systems. It uses a rear fan plus a dedicated third heating element wrapped around the fan, and that heat is created right at the fan and circulated throughout the oven, not just leftover air from the bake and broil elements. For example, Bosch, Thermador, Miele, and many others use this approach in their true convection mode. Heat comes from a third element behind the back wall and is moved by a fan. It's especially effective in baking cookies, pastries, and other individual items on multiple racks at the same time. Next, we have corner column convection. Instead of one central fan, this system uses two vertical fans in the back corners with the heating elements running alongside them. Air is pushed from the sides rather than from the center of the back wall, which helps fill the oven more evenly from top to bottom and side to side. Wolf calls this technology dual VertiFlow. Because the airflow is more complete, you can cook on every rack at once with consistent results and far less need to rotate pots and pans. Lastly, we have basic fan-assisted convection, and this is the simplest form. It uses a fan to circulate heat that's already being produced by the regular bake and broil elements. There's no dedicated heating element at the back of the oven. The fan is just moving the existing heat around. You'll often see this labeled as convection, fan bake, or fan assisted. It's common on many gas ranges and lower to mid range electric ovens. It improves evenness compared to a standard oven, but it doesn't deliver the same consistency as systems that generate heat specifically for the fan. In conclusion, when you're looking at a new range or wall oven, it's worth asking what kind of convection it actually uses. The right system can make everyday cooking more consistent and take a lot of the guesswork out of baking. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments on which type of convection you're using now, or the one you're considering. Thanks for watching.